Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change your job title in LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to click on LinkedIn app and click on the profile icon at the top left. Click on settings. Click on account and preferences. Click on name, location, and industry. So scroll down until you find the headline. So right now, mine is Administrative Assistant at ADP. If you want to change to something else, let's say Student at New York University. Once you are happy with the changes, you can click on Save. And then you will see that the new job titles has changed. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.